Kinde ni ende modong' mana ndalo maromo achiel kende to piny Kenya sidho kata bago odiochieng' onogo manendo mar tuo nendo mar Ringa, Remo kata sickle cell. Joma nitiere kod tuo ma kamano e kaunti ni ma Kisumu koro mboro ywak ka giyango ni yedhe ma gikonyore godo onge ute thieth mag piny owacho e kaunti ni ma Kisumu, kendo okumba nendo mar thieth mar SHA bende ok osebedo ka tiyo yo makare. Kamano endo koro miyo gitiyo kod omenda mathoth e kinde ma gidhi nyime kod manyo chenro eko mag thieth. Gidwaro mar mondo mi piny owacho koro wuog oko kendo ne ni yedhe ma gitiyo godo gin mago eko ma ginyalo yudo e yo nendo mayot, kendo okumba thieth mar SHA bende koro nyalo konyogi mar mondo mi kik gibedi kod achiedh nade e kinde ma gidwaro chenro mag thieth.
You will require maybe around 4 billion. That's number one. Number two,
they don't really tend to your needs. They don't really take you as a priority. They don't really take you seriously because you've gone there for clinic. Yes. So unasema chenye unapeleka kwa clinic afu una nini, you're written for the like unaandikiwa nini madawa, afu kuandikiwa madawa unaenda kwa nini, unaenda kwa pharmacy.
Many warriors are not able to pay the SHA subscription, and they are requesting that if the government and the stockholders can work into this and maybe reduce it to a maximum of 300 shillings, because these warriors are not working, and many of them, most of the time suffer from crisis. And
SHA works, yes, but it is not so much comprehensive. It only covers the admission of sickle cell patients. But away from that, as warriors and as caregivers, we get to pay and buy drugs from our own pockets. We've talked about sickle cell much because we want resources to be allocated in sickle cell institutions.
they have also raised the issues of access to medicine back in the peripheries, which is a county affair. They would like hydroxyurea and NCD medication to be available in every ward and every level 3 facility and above, which I think is a fair request. We are working already towards that by ensuring that we have wellness centers in each and every ward, and I think we will be completing that work this financial year. So it's a fair request and we are taking that into consideration.